Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Vivek Saini Codes. Today's topic to some problem. So today we will solve this particular problem with two pointers pattern. As you already know, in this particular playlist we are discussing regarding two pointers pattern. So we have discussed two different templates related to two pointers pattern. In this website I have published all these things: opposite direction template and same direction template. So there are two types of template related to this. Before jumping to this problem, actually, let me explain you how we will approach this particular problem. So actually every problem in my upcoming video, I will solve other problem related to two pointers. So every problem we will approach in two parts. Part 1, high level design, where we will create an approach based on our pattern. So in this playlist, as we are going to solve problem related to two pointers, so always we will use two pointers. So in this high level design, first we will do problem statement analysis. We will understand what is the problem, how many test cases there. So we will discuss all these things in detail. Then we need to figure out which pattern and template we can use here. So as you know, basically we can solve this particular problem with multiple patterns. We can solve to sum with HashMap also. But here we will use two pointers only in this particular playlist. But we need to figure out template, as we have two types of template in two pointers: opposite direction pointers template and same direction pointers template. Then we will create our approach based on pattern. We will note down few steps here after doing our observation of this problem statement. Then we will jump to the part 2, that will be our low level design. So here sorry guys, so here we will dry run our approach. Whatever approach we will create here, we will dry run it and we will write down our code. So here we have few steps. I will explain you everything, and ultimately we will reach to our destination, that will be our final code. So as you can see here, this is two pointer pattern. So we have two different template for this. We will figure out from here like which particular template we can use for this particular problem. So let's get started from high level design. Our first point is problem statement, problem analysis. So let's jump to the problem statement. Given a array, one indexed array of integer numbers, that is array sorted in non-descending order, find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target number. So basically this is our first point. This is in ascending order, means non-decreasing order. And second one is, this is target specific problem. If you have already gone through my videos related to same direction pointers template, opposite direction pointers template, so you can you are aware with this, like we have multiple scenarios with target specific there, and by which we can solve our problem easily. If you haven't gone through these videos, link I will provide you in description, and this website also. So then let these two number be numbers index 1 and numbers index 2, where this is our criteria. Return the indices of two number, index 1 and index 2 added by 1, as an integer array. So this is our important point. So that means immediately we will return our result, and that will be added by 1. If we are using two pointer left and right, so we will return left plus 1 and right plus 1. The tests are generated such that they are exactly one solution. So that means immediately we will return our result, because it is exactly one solution. So one solution means once it is matching with our target, then immediately we will return this particular result from that particular scenario or condition. You may not use the same element twice. That is also important thing. Your solution must use only constant extra space. These are three examples. Basically, these are test cases. They have given us to understand this problem in better way. So we will discuss regarding these in detail. Constraints we have this particular criteria numbers dot length with 2 and this numbers and target with this, and these are two important point which we need to keep in mind. So let me note down these scenarios from here. So this is first scenario actually. Not scenario, this is first point which we noticed related to this particular problem. So array is this. Second point is related to return type. So it will be left plus 1, right plus 1. Then we have this, immediately we will return result. So once, that means once target match to our result, we will return that result immediately. And third point is this cannot be, we cannot use number twice. So we cannot use number twice. This is also one more point. So we have done this particular analysis. So these are the point which we need to keep in mind when we will solve this particular problem. Second point is pattern and template identification. Pattern we know, 2 pointers we will use here, but template we need to figure out. As you know, there are two types of template. So let me walk you through this. If you haven't gone through the videos, please go through the videos guys, to understand these template in depth and in better way. So there are multiple scenarios here. At high level I will explain you here. So this is opposite direction, means this is my first index, this is my last index, and they will move in opposite direction. So that is why this opposite direction template. So mostly we will use it for current sum. So we will sum up two number and then we will check with our target. And another template is same direction. So same direction, our both the pointer will start from starting, means first pointer, left pointer will start from 0th index and right pointer will start from first, and they will move in same direction. So what is the difference basically in between these two templates? We can use both the templates here, but the thing is mostly we use same direction pointers template for minimal result, and for maximum result we use this same opposite direction. So it's that is going to provide us maximum result, and mostly we use it for summation related thing. Let's say we are using it, we are adding up two numbers, like in case of two sum we are doing same thing. So in that case mostly we use opposite direction template. So there are 2 point. Other point is maximum result. So that will be optimized solution. If I will use this template, it will not be a optimal solution. So that is why we will use here opposite direction pointer template. So let me copy this template from here. Okay, now we need to create approach based on pattern. So pattern we are using here 2 pointer and template, this one we are going to use. So to create this approach, we need to walk through all these three test cases. So let me walk you through these three test cases. So basically we are using here opposite direction. So as I already told you guys, so we can use same direction also. If we will use same direction, our target is 9 here. So if I will use same direction instead of opposite direction, my sum will be 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Immediately I will get result. So in that case, you can say I can use this template also. But the problem is it will provide minimal result, not maximum. So for maximum and optimal solution, that's why I'm using it from here. So for other test cases, it will work in optimal way, optimized way basically. So my pointer is here. This is my left pointer. This is my right pointer. So the sum is 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. This is current sum and this is 9. Second slide is my current sum. This is my current sum. Current sum is greater than target. So it is matching greater than check scenario in opposite direction template. So if you have already gone through my video related to this, so this is one scenario number third, greater than check. So in greater than check, what we do, we move our right pointer in backward direction. We won't touch left pointer, we just move right pointer. So that is why in third slide, what we are doing, we are moving this right pointer from here to here based on scenario number 3. For depth detail of this particular template, guys, you can go through this particular video. Link I will provide you in description. I have explained every scenario in detail here. At high level, I will explain you here also. That is why we are moving this pointer from here to here, from last index to second last. Again, I'm adding 2 plus 11 is equal to 13 current sum. Again, it is greater than with target. So then again I will move. Now it's matching my target. So immediately I will return my result because it is matching to target. So 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 2. Test case 2, there are 3 elements only. Target is 6 and it is matching, my current sum is matching to my target. So that is why immediately I am returning result from here. Case 2 is case 3 basically. This is summation of two number, target is -1, -1 plus 0 is equal to -1. It is also matching, immediately I will return result. So basically there are multiple points here. First is I will use opposite direction pointer template. Second point is immediately I will return result. So this is second point. Third point is this one. Return type will be this. So these are the three things. And in opposite direction pointers template, actually we have 3 scenarios. This is scenario number 1, where my target is matching, and I am checking current sum is equal to target. So I will move both the pointers. Then less than check, I will move left pointer only. Then we have greater than check, right pointer only, and this is the combined one. And from here, if you will see here, this was my current sum and this was my target. So to make this particular template generic, I have used here param1 and param2. So param2 basically here is target. So it could be anything actually in upcoming problems when we will discuss regarding other problems. So it could be any other particular thing. So that is why I have used here dynamic parameter instead of static one. So you can go through this particular video to understand this template better. So now jump to this part. This is my approach which we have built. So let's get started part 2 here now. This is low level design. Basically, we will dry run this particular these particular steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, and we will write down these. So this is basically template modification. Why we need this? If our basically we have 3 scenarios in this particular template, opposite direction pointer template. If every each and every scenario we need note in our problem statement, so in that case we need to modify our template. But what is happening here, actually we need to use all 3 scenarios, so that is why there is no modification required for this problem. So we won't do anything here. Then what we need to do after this, wrap template with IO and modify variable. So this is my template, and what I need to do, basically I need to wrap here with IO. IO means input and output. So this is my input, these are my inputs, this is my output which I need to return. So let me format it. So let me copy this from here and put here. So then I need to modify variable also. Variable means like here I am using array, but I need numbers. So I will replace it with numbers. Then target input variable, I will replace it with this, because as you can see here, this is targets param2. So that's it from this step. Now we need to create step 3. So basically step by step we are solving here our problem. Find out param 1 value. So what will be our param 1 actually? This will be our current sum. And how we will calculate it? So as you can see here, this is the sum of 2 indices number. So if I will use here so what I can do here, number left plus number right is equal. So basically this is sum of number left plus number right is equal to -1 -0, something like this. So indices number sum. So that is why we need to replace it from here. We need to use one more data type, that will be numbers left plus right. So this will be number. Now this was my step 3rd. Now I need to use step 4. So what will be the step 4 actually? Till now we haven't used this return type, so we need to return something from here. Return type. So let me copy complete code from here. In this step we will use step return type here. So for return type actually we need to return this. So what we need to do actually, we need to return it here. New left plus 1 right plus 1. So if you will check here, we have implemented this template, we have wrapped it with IO, then we have implemented return type also, but this step is pending. Immediately we need to return once target is matching. So from here we need to break it actually. We are breaking loop from here. If we are breaking here, then we need not this particular thing. No, I need to do here, sorry. Here I need to do, I need to use break. So I will format this code. I think we have done with all the changes, whatever required for this particular approach. Let me try to run it once. Okay, accepted. Yeah, it is working. Let me try to submit it. These 3 test case working fine. Let me try other also. Yeah, it is submitted, guys. So this particular solution is working, as you know. So we can format it little bit better. Let me copy it from here, and this is our final solution, means working solution. This is so as you know what we did at high level, we have analyzed our problem, we have identified pattern with template. We have created an approach. We have dry run our approach step by step, like template modification here it was not required, and we have wrapped our template with IO. Then step by step we have resolved few things like parameter one we have resolved. We have implemented user we have implemented return type, and we have implemented our third step, second step. Immediately we have returned result. So something like this. Finally we have reached to our destination. This is our final code, which is working perfectly in our LeetCode. So that's all from this particular video. In our upcoming videos we will discuss other problem related to two pointers in this playlist. So guys, you need not to worry about this particular slide. I will publish everything here in this particular website. The link I will provide you description. So here I have already published step by step everything, so you can check it out from here. So thank you guys. We'll meet in other video.